Hey, what's up, guys? So my name is George from Dream Shadow TV, and today we're going to have an analysis of three cryptocurrencies in the market. First, we have the Cardano cryptocurrency. This is a request from my former student. The second, we'll go over to the Ethereum, and then finally, we'll round up with the Bitcoin. Before we do that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Alright? It's gonna mean a lot to me. So leave a like and comment if you have any more cryptocurrencies or forex trading, forex pairs that you want to be analyzed, and I'll do that for you. I'll do anything. Come on, give me a million subs. Alright, so let's do it already. Okay, so this is a, what's this? This is a 3-month view. 3-month view, yes, 3-month view. Oh no. I'm completely destroying myself. Okay, so this is a 1 month. This is a 3-month view. I don't like that. Yeah, okay, so this is a 3-month view. So this is a 3-month view of the Cardano cryptocurrencies. And right now it's at 0.0919. So what's going on here? We have the RSI at 34, which means it's nearing oversold levels, but we're not yet there. Also in MACD points to a bearish position. We don't see any crossover happening very soon or soon. For ADX, we have the trend is high, but we have the sellers outnumbering the buyers. So technically speaking, we have a bearish position right here. But if we want to enter, we want the chart to go beyond the lower band of the Bollinger. It's not yet happening. I think it's going to happen soon, in the next couple of days maybe, when it reaches that position, because I think it's on a price breakout, but the breakout happened on its way down. So we're waiting for that, and when that happens, then we can buy Cardano, at least in the short term. So those are trading options for us. So remember, Cardano is on its way down, bearish. We are waiting for the price to go down some more and touch or have like a break, like this one, this position of the candle wherein the price goes beyond the lower band of the Bollinger. But then if you look at this, indeed it went below or even beyond the lower band of the Bollinger, and then there's a green candle afterwards. If you bought here, then you will be dead wrong, because it would have failed. It's not yet a good signal. What makes a great signal? Well, for one, all the positions are still not well. For RSI, it's not yet oversold. For MACD, it's still, at this point, still bearish. And also for ADX, the sellers are still outnumbering the buyers, with the trend quite strong. At 24 it's strong. So we're still not able to point out a good trend over there. So right now we're still waiting for Cardano to show some sign of more weakness. I think it's going to give way some more. If it goes up, then just let it go, because you won't be able to go after it, right? Okay, so we go now to Ethereum. Okay, so let's look first at the 3-month view. Ethereum is at 379.79 per dollar. Open at 385.53, at high at 385, and then close at 379.79. This is a perfect situation for us. If we were here already, we would have sold over here, because what this, the candle went beyond the upper band of the Bollinger, and then it's followed by a red candle, and it's a signal of a sell sign. At that point also, we can see that the MACD has a crossover. Yeah, but then RSI is not yet over bought or anything. It didn't even touch the upper limit of the RSI. But that would have been a good selling point, because it went from 440 down to 314. So that's about 1/4. It's about 25% on its way down. Yeah. So right now we are thinking that Ethereum will still march. It's marching sideways now, and if you will notice, the position of the Bollinger Bands is also turning down. We have RSI at 50, so it's neutral grounds. MACD is still bearish. So also goes the same with ADX. ADX indicator. Let's look at the one. The ADX indicator has the green above the red. So we have the buyers outnumbering the sellers. But if you will notice, the strength of the trend is low at 13. So we are on a ranging position right now. There's no trend. It's a ranging position. So at this point in time, if you want to buy this for the long term, and it's still on its way, I mean it's sideways right now, it can be a good point to buy. But we are not yet, we are not near the oversold level, so we're still going to wait for some time in order for it to go below this level. Maybe it will, the next support will be at this one. There's no indicator here. The low of 364 here, below. And then the next would be around 360. This one is already 332 and so on, right? So that could be a good buying point for Ethereum before it marches up again. So right now, still waiting period for Ethereum. It's going to move sideways. It's ranging, so it's going to do a sideways move. Let's look at the long-term view. Yeah, it's going to go sideways and even go down some more. So when that happens, then you can go and enter. But knowing Ethereum is very popular, so maybe all that happens is just gathering steam and then it's gonna go back again. Now let's look at the favorite, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is at 10967, 10965.88 right now. Okay, so let's look at the 3-month view. Yes, the candle is a red candle last Friday, but it's on its way up. Right, briefly touched the lower band of the Bollinger. It has a breakout, and the breakout was on its way. The breakout goes points downward, and it went below the lower band of the Bollinger, followed by a green candle. So it would have been a nice entry point for us to buy, trading buy, right? For this, but we would have bought it at the open 10,230. It's now 10,964, so that's about 700, about 0.7% up, or about almost 1% up for Bitcoin. But right now it's on its way up, so it's going to still gather some more strength. Look at ADX. ADX, the trend is still up at 21. It's a strong trend, but it's on its way down. Well, the green is still above the red, so the buyers are still above the sellers. Here we have MACD. There's a crossover somewhere here in September 14, and from then on it went moving upwards. But for RSI, still at the neutral region. So what will happen is it will continue in its trajectory, and then it will peak somewhere here in 11, maybe around 11,400, 11,300. No, is that 11,300? This one. Well, that's the trajectory. It could go as high as 11,300, and then it would go down, and you sell at that high, and then you buy again, maybe somewhere over the low of this one, 10,266. So those are the ranges of Bitcoin today. No clear trend. Bullish in the short term, but sideways in a way, because RSI is still at the neutral range, and if you look at the trend, the strength of the trend in ADX is not that high, so we're not yet sure about the general direction of Bitcoin. But for me, I think that as I said, it will move sideways, but still continues on its trajectory, and it will briefly touch the upper band of the Bollinger somewhere or sometime in on Tuesday or Wednesday, and then it will decide whether it will still go up or go down. In my opinion, I think it will go down. It will unload some steam, and then you will have a chance to sell short Bitcoin maybe on Wednesday, and then buy it again either about Friday or next week. So that's the trading options for me. Remember that all these things are about, statistical probability, and we are just interpreting the general directions of these cryptocurrencies based on their graphs. So that's it for Cardano, for Ethereum, and for Bitcoin. I hope that you have a good trading week next week. Good luck on all your trades. Keep it high. Peace out.